Welcome dear students for today's session. We are going to learn about networking concepts in computer. In our daily life, we come across different types of network such as network of roads, network of banks, network of malls, schools, hospitals. Imagine life without networking. No phone, no radio, no television, etc. It is unbelievable to think a life without these amenities. Similarly, computer networks that connect millions of computers together have also become an integral part of our daily life these days. Now, let us know what is network. A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. Network is an interconnected collection of autonomous computers. When two or more computers are joined together so that they are capable of exchanging information, they form a network. Now let us see the applications of using network. When we use network, we can share resources such as printer, sharing of expensive softwares and database, communication from one computer to another computer, exchange of data and information among users, sharing of information over geographical area. Now let us see about the components of network. We need a sender computer, receiver, hub, transmission medium and a protocol. Computers in a network can communicate with each other as well as work independently. Each computer in a network is called a node. One of these nodes acts as a sender that transmits the information to another node in the network known as receiver. Computers are linked with each other together some medium such as cable, telephones, radio waves or infrared light beam. A data communication system consists of the following part. 1. Message. It is information to be communicated. It can contain text, pictures, audios, videos, etc. 2. Sender. Sender is a device. Receiver. Receiver is a device that receives the data messages. Transmission medium. It is a physical part through which the message travels from the sender to the receiver. Protocol. A protocol signifies a set of rules that governs data communication. Without a protocol, a data cannot be exchanged between two communicating devices. Hope you understood what is network. Now let us see the different types of network. Depending on geographical area covered by a network, there are various types of computer networks used worldwide, which are as follows. 1. Personal area network. 2. Local area network. 3. Clustered area network. 4. Metropolitan area network. 5. Wide area network. Now let us see these networks in detail. What is personal area network? PAN is a computer network that covers a small area of about 10 meters among devices such as laptop, mobile phones, PDA or smartphones. Personal area network can either be wired or wireless. Now let us see about local area network. In LAN, two or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area, such as a room or office building. In local area network, computer terminals are physically connected with wires. It can be controlled and administered by a single person or an organization. Now let us see about CAN. There are different forms of CAN. We can call it as campus area network, controlled area network, corporate area network, cluster area network. Now let us see about metropolitan area network. MAN is a larger network than LAN. It is spread across a city. Since it covers an area of few hundred kilometers in a city, it is called metropolitan area network. Followed by MAN comes wide area network. This kind of network connects two or more computers located at a distant place. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signal. The most common example of WAN type network is the telecommunication system. The usage of WAN is limited to very large organizations and government agencies. The best example of WAN are Internet and Intranet is a large multinational company. Now let us summarize the lesson. We learnt about network. A computer network can be defined as a group of computer and other peripheral devices that are linked together for a purpose of data sharing and hardware resources. Networking in computer brings efficiency, economy, and effectiveness in an organization. Data can be transferred from one location to another by using wires or without wires. Then we learned about different types of network: PAN, LAN, MAN, CAN, and WAN. Hope you understood the session. Thank you. Be safe.